There are tons of ways to earn money with little effort on today's standard. Drop shipping and stock market and buy and sell and affiliate marketing and investing on cryptocurrencies and many more. When it comes to making money with little effort, crypto mining comes up on most minds. Crypto mining is the process by which networks of specialized computers generate and release new Bitcoin and verify new transactions. There are two ways to mine cryptocurrencies. You could mine with your own hardware, which would take up your processing and data usage. Mind you that using your own hardware requires 100% on your GPU, which can make your computer or laptop unusable. If you want a more efficient way to earn more money with crypto mining, you have to invest thousands of dollars on your hardware setup, mainly GPU. The main disadvantage of hardware mining is it uses your electricity, and that is where you lose some of your profits. Now, if you don't have the time and if you don't want the hassle, you could try cloud mining. Now, with cloud mining, you're basically mining remotely on another hardware which is not yours. Therefore, you won't have to worry about anything else like your electricity and your computer hardware. Now, of course, using this can be pricey. There are tons of cloud mining services on the internet, and some are built to scam you. So you really have to be cautious when investing your money on. Luckily for you, if you're somehow interested on cloud mining, I got 3 cloud mining services for you to use. In this video, I'm going to show you all top 3 cloud mining sites to use. Number 3. ECOS, founded in 2017 in Armenia in the Free Economic Zone. ECOS is a cryptocurrency investment platform. Their mission is to provide every user with reliable, safe, and effective digital asset management tools. There are 4 main products in the ECOS ecosystem: a cryptocurrency storage wallet, cloud mining, a cryptocurrency exchanger, and investment portfolios. Their platform is easy to use. You can install the ECOS app and access all the tools in one place. It is available on the App Store and Google Play. It currently has 3.8 reviews on Trustpilot. Number 2. Hashshiny.io. Hashshiny is a cloud mining platform that offers users the opportunity to earn money from Bitcoin and altcoin mining. It was founded in 2017, but its website went live in 2018. Hashshiny uses the latest ASIC miners and GPU equipment to mine these coins. Hashshiny has 3 million members signed up and 2 million app downloads. Number 1. Bmine. Bmine is a unique cloud mining company founded in 2018 by a group of experts. The firm is based in Victoria, Mahi, Seychelles, with the principles of transparency, security, and a modern approach to the use of electricity. Bmine allows you to mine cryptocurrencies online without you participating in the equipment. It currently is the best cloud mining in my opinion. It currently has 4.1 stars on Trustpilot, so yeah, it really is the best of the best. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. What are you waiting for? Start mining now.